In this demonstration of laser power beaming, I will show how this application could be used to potentially power drones or unmanned aerial vehicles. So we have our laser source. Beam is incident on a photovoltaic that would be attached to a drone. And this is the model of a drone scaled down with the DC current motor. So when the laser is turned on, you can see the beam is now incident on the photovoltaic. And now the motor is on, acting as propeller. So the intention would be to scale up this application to a full-size drone. We would then attach the photovoltaic to the drone and use that to power the drone while it's in flight. See, the laser is off and the propeller has stopped.